Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Replacing windows may not be a frequent upgrade for homeowners, thankfully, but it's definitely one of the most important. Budgeting for home upgrades is a hard yet important part of homeownership. It's part of increasing your home's value, your comfort, and your energy efficiency. 1 November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One of the questions I'm asked by homeowners shopping for replacement windows is should they be installed from the inside of the home or the outside. The truth is that in most cases it really doesn't make a difference. 19 March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Consider purchasing cheaper window materials. Solid wood windows are regarded as the premium choice. But fiberglass frames are less expensive and solid vinyl frames are the least expensive of all. 22 October 2020.
Take our lead.
How to tell if you need new windows. You hear a lot of outside noise. You feel a draft, even when your windows are closed. Window frames are soft, chipped or water damaged. Difficulty opening, closing and locking windows. Condensation buildup between glass layers or cracked window glass. The 23rd of August 2019.
Take our lead.
Is there a time to replace all windows at once? Yes. If your windows are more than 20 years old, it is probably time to start thinking about replacing the lot. Many professionals agree that if homeowners can afford it, they are better served by replacing all their windows in one order. 28 January 2019.
Take our lead.
Approximately 20 to 25 years. Generally speaking, you can expect your windows to last approximately 20 to 25 years if you purchase them from a reputable brand and have them installed by professionals in the field. If you keep them in good shape, they could last even longer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.